back. This is me trading Portillo's for earnings, before earnings, and so it's just an earnings run up, of a profitable company. So this is how I did this. Okay, this is how I played this earnings. So I added on the breakout here at this 47 level. That's where I started my position. When it showed that Portillo was having some strength to break out of this 5-day consolidation area. So then I started to scale out the next day when I saw and I thought it was kind of overextended. So I took out 10 shares. Then the next day it just went way higher, and then so therefore I took some more off, and then finally I ended up taking most of the position out. So the next day morning, it was Portillo's earnings, and then it did a massive drop of about, it's 20 points. We're really on a $60 stock. That's a 30%. So it's a no-brainer that you have to buy some back, right? So anyway, I saw this resistance here. I had it marked from a couple weeks ago, and it hit that resistance close to round number like 40. I think it was 41. It hit 42. So I was planning to add in the pre-market. Once I saw this drop, I actually exited my position from the prior to earnings about here. So it was, I only had 2 shares left, and then I ended up adding right here 30 shares, and then with the first pop I sold half of my position. I didn't think it would go higher, but just in case, I kept a good portion, and then I ended up getting out at the top of this doji. I guess I got lucky a little bit, so I let go more than half of my remaining position, and then I ended up adding here the following day, and then so I meant to add another 8 shares, but by accident I added 16. I was paying attention to a lot of other stocks, so I actually tripled my position here. So we'll see how that plays out. So that was a very good trade, well executed as far as earnings go. And so just wait for breakout during or before earnings if you want to get some of that earnings run up, and then obviously sell before earnings, unless if you want to keep or potentially, if it's a winner, these stocks can go up 10, 20, 30%. Now this one went down because it missed slightly, and then it had this big bounce. So now we'll see where that goes. So I think it will be going a little bit lower before it will start heading somewhat up again. So we have a low here of 39, so I'm looking to add there, and then I will let go of this trade if it falls below that, maybe at no, I will be adding at 40. If anything below down here, I will let go. So that's my trade, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.